Hello and welcome to your review video. For this video, you will need your class packet. We are on Unit 7. Let's begin. Part 2. Let's review. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you are, they are. I have, you have, he, she, it has, we have, you have, they have. I go, you go, he, she, it goes, we go, you go, they go. I do, you do, he, she, it does, we do, you do, they do. Let's practice. He is my best friend. They have a lot of books. We go to the park every Saturday. She does her homework after school. I am happy today. You have a nice smile. They go to work by car. He does his job very well. We are excited about the trip. And she has 3 children. Okay, again, let's practice. I am a teacher. She has a dog. They go to the gym every morning. We do our homework at night. He is a good singer. You have a beautiful house. She goes to school by bus. I do my chores on weekends. They are very tired after work. We have a meeting every Monday. Good. Okay, now we're going to use pick the verb and change the form. So he plays guitar. She studies very hard. It flies quickly. My mom carries lunch every day. He swims in the lake. The dog tries when it's happy, cries. Should be cries when it's happy. She carries her book in a bag. The bird flies in the sky. My teacher worries a lot. He tries to be funny. Okay, yeah, good. So again, the number 6, this should be cry. Okay, let's fix the sentences. I have a car, but they have 2 bikes. She is always happy. He is sad sometimes. We go to the market every weekend. You are a good student, or I am a good student. And they do their work in the afternoon. Okay, now we're going to talk about frequency adverbs or frequency words. These words tell us how often something happens. Always is 100%, usually is 80 or 90%, often is 60 or 80%, sometimes is 40 or 50%, occasionally is 30 or 40%, rarely is 10 or 20%, and never is 0%. She always drinks coffee in the morning. They usually go to the gym after work. I often visit my grandparents on the weekends. We sometimes go hiking in the summer. He occasionally plays video games. She rarely eats fast food, and they never go to bed late. Okay, listen and write what you hear.
One, every morning I always drink coffee before starting my work. 2, after work she usually goes to the gym to exercise for an hour. 3, on weekends they often watch movies at home or at the theater. Sometimes we eat dinner at a restaurant when we're too tired to cook. 5, he never eats vegetables, but he loves pizza and burgers. 6, I don't like getting up early, so I never wake up before 7 a.m. 7, on Sundays my friends and I always play soccer at the park. 8, you sometimes help me with my homework when I don't understand. 9. She usually travels for work, but this month she's staying at home. 10. In winter, we never go to the beach because it's too cold.
Good. Okay. So remember, always is all the time, usually, most of the time, sometimes, some of the time, rarely, not very often, and never 0%. And we put the word between the subject and the verb. I always eat breakfast. You usually walk to work. He sometimes watches TV. She rarely goes out. They never drink soda. Okay, write sentences. He sometimes calls his mom. You usually speak English in class. They always drink tea in the morning. I usually walk to the store every morning. We often go to the park after school. Okay, so look at Charlie's day. At 8 a.m. he eats breakfast. At 8:30 he brushes his teeth. At 9 he goes to school. At 3 he plays tennis. At 4 he does his homework. At 5 he walks his dog. At 6 he eats dinner with his family. At 7 they read books together. At 8 he takes a bath. And at 9 he goes to bed. So for positive, we can say, I play, you run, she speaks, he studies, it works, they sleep, we listen. So this is positive. I play tennis every Saturday, you run every morning, she speaks English very well, he studies hard for exams, it works perfectly now, they sleep early every night, and we listen to music every day. Negative, I don't play, you don't run, she doesn't speak, he doesn't study, it doesn't work, they don't sleep, we don't listen. Notice the verbs do not change form, just don't or does. I don't play video games, you don't run in winter, she doesn't speak loudly, he doesn't study in class, it doesn't work today, they don't sleep in class, we don't listen to the radio. Let's practice. Sarah doesn't like coffee. I don't go to the gym on Sundays. He doesn't speak Spanish. We don't have breakfast at 6 a.m. She doesn't like chocolate, and they don't watch TV in the morning. Okay, now write sentences with negative form of the verbs. I don't play soccer on Sundays. She doesn't speak 3 languages. They don't run in the park every morning. He doesn't study for his exams right now. No, we don't need that. We don't sleep at night. It doesn't work well today. And you don't listen to music during class. Okay, now we're going to write the positive and negative form of the sentences. So I play every day. I don't play every day. You run in the morning, you don't run in the morning. She speaks English, she doesn't speak English. They study after school, they don't study after school. We sleep at night, we don't sleep at night. He works at the office, he doesn't work at the office. It listens to music, it doesn't listen to music. Good. Okay, now let's fix the mistakes. So number 1, they don't play soccer on Sundays. Number 2, he doesn't study every day. Number 3, we listen to music in the evening. Number 4, you don't run in the winter is correct. So this one is correct. Number 5, I don't speak French. Number 6, she studies in the morning. And number 7, it doesn't work today, not working. Okay, let's listen and answer the questions.
Number 1. My name is Kate. I always wake up at 7 a.m. Number 2. My name is Sarah. I always drink tea in the morning. Number 3. My brother's name is Jake. He always eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Number 4. My name is Jessica. I sometimes walk to work when it is sunny. Number 5. My sister's name is Jenny. She never studies in the afternoon. Number 6. My name is Emily. I don't eat lunch at 12 p.m. Number 7. My brother's name is Jack. He doesn't like to watch TV in the evenings. Number 8. My name is Julia. I go to the mountains on the weekends. Number 9. My mom's name is Melissa. She always cooks dinner at 6 p.m. Number 10. My name is Leslie. I don't like coffee. I never drink it.
Okay, number 1 is true, 2 true, 3 false, 4 false, 5 true, 6 false, 7 false, 8 false, 9 true, 10 true. Okay, now let's unscramble the sentences. I usually do my homework in the evening. She always goes to school. They play soccer every weekend. We never have pizza in the morning. You never go to work by car. Great, thank you so much for watching.